Hello, my name is Rashid Ishfaq and I represent A1 Global TV in England. I'm the Chief Bureau of the Northwest. I would like to welcome you all to the biggest show on A1 Global TV's calendar for the year, which is the award ceremony taking place in Thailand on the 20th of September 2023. Our very own founder of A1 Global TV, the acting CEO, Mr. Shahid Mahmood, will also be present there to host this event, this big event, which has had numerous amount of people put loads of work into it to make it a possibility, and we look forward to seeing you all there. I would like to personally thank all my colleagues who represent the shows, who do the live talking and do the news broadcasting all over the world. I would like to thank them for all the hard work and effort they put in. And once again, don't miss out the biggest event on A1 Global TV this year in Thailand.